Hi, my name is John, and back in July of 2024, both myself and and a friend of mine went to a bicycle sales and repair shop in Toronto here called Repair and Run on Bloor Street West, and we bought a pair of Envo D50 electric bicycles. Identical units, identical colors. And fortunately for my friend, his electric bicycle, I'll just show you this D50 by Envo. Don't mind my other electric bicycle in the background. This mustard colored Envo D50. And I have had an ongoing problem with the temperature sensors on this bike. They're showing drastically lower temperatures than they should be, particularly on the rear hub motor temperature. Presumably, it's indicating -3 degrees Celsius. And if you look closely at this temperature display, you'll see 19 degrees Celsius. And this very accurate thermometer and humidity sensor has been sitting on this on the motor for at least 8 hours now. And I've taped the other temperature sensor on the body of the frame just that encases the battery for the same amount of time, and it's showing 19 degrees Celsius. If you look at the Envo display monitor here, you'll see as I cycle through it what the temperatures indicated here are. And the center CTR, that is the battery temperature on the main frame. That's this one here, which is registering 19 degrees Celsius. Well, this is not too bad. This is indicating, let me just get that focused, 16 degrees. So it's 3 degrees off. That I'm not worried about. But when I switch over to the next temperature, this is the motor temperature. As you can see, it's reading -3 degrees Celsius. So theoretically, I should have icicles hanging off of this this bicycle. This is like a meat freezer according to that. But as you can see here, it's indicating 19 degrees. So I opened up tickets with Envo Canada several times. As a matter of fact, I have 3 or 4 trouble tickets opened with them in July and August. And their technical staff, I'm assuming it was technical staff, told me that it's a self-calibrating kind of system and that all I need to do is continue to ride it and it'll self-calibrate in some way, shape, or form. Well, it's now April of 2025, this 22nd of April 2025, and this thing has not yet calibrated, which I never thought it would anyway. I'm an electronics technician by trade, and I've never heard of such nonsense that I've been told by Envo. Anyway, it almost seems as if Envo has given up and is hoping that I'll just, have the warranty period dissipate and then they'll be absolved of any responsibility on this. I have brought the attention or the problem to the attention of Repair and Run, the people who sold it to me. I've addressed it to David at that location, and he's a very good person, and I believe he honestly wants this resolved as well, but I'm getting the feeling that Envo Canada is stonewalling him on this. And that's a problematic in itself. Most good companies, you can talk to a real live person. With Envo, all you can do is open up a trouble ticket and then hope and wait that you get responded to in a timely manner. I've been rather disappointed thus far. Anyway, I've brought the matter to the attention of David at Repair and Run Again, and I'm hoping I can get some feedback from him in the next few days. Anyway, so this has been my experience with the Envo D50 for what it's worth. Bye for now.